I do want to ask you about the makeup of the court. We have had most, if not all, of the justices were appointed, sitting justices today, were appointed to the court and then ran and were elected. We've had Democratic governors for so long that obviously that's been the choice of Democratic governors, Gregoire, Inslee, for certain. Previously we have had Justice Sanders, who had a very libertarian bent, Justice Jim Johnson, who was viewed as a more conservative member of the court. Do you have any concern that this court, while it's diverse, it lacks sort of political diversity, sort of on that left to right spectrum?
I think I would disagree with maybe the inference or implication under that, and that is, regardless of where we might be politically, personally, I can tell you that we are all over the place in that room, and that we are a very richly divided court on a lot of subject areas. We don't have a lot of unanimous decisions. It's 5-4, it's 6-3. It's fought hard because of the different views. So the image maybe of the court is, gosh, this is a court that likes each other and plays together, it seems, or all think alike, and it's group thinking. And I can tell you, it is far from that. It is richly divided, and I think that's a good thing. So despite the differences, I don't know.
Just to press that one step further, though, and I hear what you're saying. Nonetheless, it seems like there's that the court doesn't necessarily today have the ideological diversity that maybe it once previously did. It has gained diversity in other ways, absolutely, but has lost perhaps some. And again, you can refute the premise. I'm giving you that opportunity. But I could see conservatives in this state, Republicans in this state, those who knew the court before might say, geez, this court, it's all people who emanated from appointments by Democratic governors. They may be diverse, but ideologically, maybe not so much.
And I'd say they're not reading the opinions. I really would say they are not reading the opinions. They're not reading the majority, the concurrence, the dissents. I think we are very different in our views on a host of issues and how we approach a variety of topics, but we're not ideologues, and that might be what some people are missing. And that, frankly, is a good thing. I think we have some thoughtful people who might be conservative in certain areas of the law and others who are not. But I would say we don't have ideologues, but we have diversity of viewpoints.
You can check out the rest of the show by clicking on the link below or by watching Inside Olympia Thursday evenings at 7 and 10.